We're here today and we're going to take a tour of the MySubaru app. I'm Jennifer at Bel Air Subaru. Now the MySubaru app allows us to do remote features from our cell phone to our vehicle. For instance, we can remote start it. This allows us to adjust our climate control settings. Like in the summer, maybe we want our AC on. And in the winter, maybe our heat and our defrosters. Other remote features include locking the vehicle, which is really helpful, especially if you're getting used to keyless access and you're questioning whether or not you actually did lock your vehicle. The unlock feature is helpful, especially if you want to have your kids run out to the vehicle, but don't necessarily want to give them your keys. One of the other cool things that we can do is locate the vehicle, sound your horn and lights, and we can send destinations to our built-in navigation in our vehicle. This is helpful when you're planning out a trip and want to set several stops along the way. We can also check our vehicle status, like important health reports. And your vehicle actually scans itself and it communicates to the app, checking its major components and making sure everything looks normal. We can set service appointments. So if you want to do your 6,000-mile checkup or an oil change, you can do that right through the app. We can check for recalls and service campaigns. We can check offers and events. I like this one because there's coupons. We can even set driver alerts for boundary, speed, and curfews. This is helpful if you have a teen driver or if someone's borrowing your vehicle. Feel free to stop at Bel Air Subaru and I'd love to show you more about the MySubaru app.